Donna Summer, I'm coming for you too. Straightforward. It looks fab and I'm excited because of that reason, and it looks like it could be glueless. Today's hair is by Yolissa Hair. I don't know why I know why I'm because I've not been doing enough. Like, I've been doing enough. Okay, so lately the wigs have been coming like extremely pre-bleached, pre-plucked. Look, have a closer look. Do you see the bleach knots already? Like, they're picking up, they're listening. Well, not everybody, but Yolissa's listening, and I'm into that. Don't think that I'm gonna add baby hairs. Lately, I've been on a no baby hairs kick, and I'm into it. I'm gonna do my Thug Fizzle cream foundation to tint the lace a bit my color. 16. I didn't really look at what the part. Oh, look at the parting areas. This shit is in different areas. Like, what? Yeah, heard you. The look I'm going for today is Salinas y los Niños. Okay, so I'm just gonna super wet the hair after I'm done. Anyway, so the look I'm going for today is either I'm gonna brush out the curls or I'm gonna. I love you, Fifi. Okay, so tinted the lace, obviously. I like cutting my ears first because I don't like this overlap. Like, I already gotta put a band on. So I have a band and then mad extra lace on my ear is actually nutty. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. Angle it from the bottom. Do y'all hear something? Be careful. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. No, like, I'm so impressed.
Hey, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. This is why I like the back, so I can spread it out even. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Alright. Alright, praying that now is the time. It low-key could be glueless. Do Phoenix's hair. My daughter distracted me just a little bit, and my part is slightly to the right, but I don't think you can tell, but it's a self-conscious thing. Like, one of those people where it's like, yeah, I know you say you can't tell, but I can tell, so I feel like you're staring at my shifted part. It's okay. I'll probably add another clip of me fixing it because that's how my OCD works. You feel me? 1, 2, 3 cuts. haven't done anything to the hair right now. This is where we're at. I just feel like I don't want to mess with it at all because like, come on now. Look at the little half moon crescent baby hair I did. Yolissa, let me talk to you. Miss Mamas, you ate this. And come on now, this looks amazing. Cause you can't tell me I'm not a Ross kid. If I'm not a Ross kid, you're a liar. You're a liar, you're a liar. Phoenix is a liar, I don't care. Donna Summer, I'm coming for you too. Like what? If I wet it, everyone's in trouble.